of the counting process.
India has voted. Meghalaya has voted. Now is the time to know what the people of India have decided and what the people of Meghalaya have decided. With Pan-India live updates in attractive graphics and live reporting from counting stations in Meghalaya, from our reporters we bring to you the most holistic coverage of the counting day. Join DD Meghalaya to know the most authentic and latest results in a live marathon discussion program which will be broadcast from 9:30 a.m. onwards tomorrow with renowned political commentators and leaders of political parties. You can watch the program live on YouTube at DD News Meghalaya, at DD Meghalaya Official and at Doordarshan Kendra Tura channels. And now for the weather report. The maximum temperature recorded was